Welcome. In this guide, you'll learn how to understand and use the cash flow tab on our platform. After the analysis is complete, the summary details of the report appear by default. Click on the drop-down arrow and select the cash flow tab to view more details. This section displays the month-wise cash flow summary for the selected period. Here, you can view the total inflow, outflow, and net cash flow for each month, along with the monthly average balance and the number of inflow and outflow transactions. The net cash flow column shows the difference between inflow and outflow for every month. Positive values indicate months where inflows exceeded outflows, while negative values, highlighted in red, indicate months where expenses were higher than income. The monthly average balance helps assess the typical maintained balance during each month, and the transaction count columns reflect how frequently funds were credited or debited. At the bottom, the cumulative summary displays data for the last 3, 6, 9, and 12 months, providing an aggregated view of inflows, outflows, and net cash flow over those time periods. This breakdown helps you analyze financial consistency, liquidity trends, and overall fund movement across months. Similarly, you can check the cash flow details of your report on our platform. Thank you.